Sharks existed before trees. What the fact? Sharks have been around longer than trees. Yeah, you heard that right. The ocean's deadliest predator is older than forests. Sharks have existed for over 400 million years, while trees only showed up about 350 million years ago. That means sharks were swimming around before the first leaf ever hit the ground.
What a fox!
So while trees were still a concept, sharks were already crushing it as apex predators. Evolution gave them a head start, and they still haven't gone extinct. Sharks, 400 million. Trees, 350 million. Still think trees are deep-rooted? Think again. Like, subscribe, and get your brain what the fact every week.